When life breaks you, it feels like the end. The weight on your chest is crushing. The silence around you is deafening. And in that darkness, you wonder if you'll ever rise again. You ask, why me? Why now? But listen carefully, this is not the end of your story. This is the beginning of your comeback. Every champion you admire was once broken. Every warrior has scars. Life doesn't break you to destroy you. It breaks you to build you. To shape you into someone stronger, wiser, unshakable. When you hit rock bottom, you discover something no one else can give you, strength you didn't know you had. Maybe you lost everything. Maybe your heart is shattered. Maybe your dreams have collapsed. But remember this, broken crayons still color. And broken people still shine. Your pain does not define you. It refines you. It makes you powerful. Pain is life's greatest teacher. The nights you cried? They watered the seeds of your future strength. The days you felt invisible? They prepared you for a spotlight you couldn't imagine. So don't curse the storm you're in. That storm is clearing your path. You may not see it now, but one day, you'll look back and say, that moment didn't break me, it made me. It gave me fire. It gave me hunger. It gave me the courage to rise when everything inside me said quit. So, when life breaks you, get up. Slowly if you have to. Crawl if you must. But move forward. Even if it's just one step, because one step turns into two, and before you know it, you're unstoppable. Your comeback will be greater than your setback. The pain you feel today will become the strength you rely on tomorrow. So, don't give up. Not now. Not ever. This is your fight. This is your rise. And the world hasn't seen your best yet. Remember this, you were not born to stay broken. You were born to rise, to conquer, to inspire. Life may have tested you, but the test is proof that you're still standing. And if you're still standing, you're still winning. So, when life breaks you, don't stay down. Rise. Fight. Believe. Because the most beautiful souls are the ones that have been broken and rebuilt stronger than ever before. And that, my friend, is you.